Hello everyone. Our topic for today is about a compound word. What is the meaning of compound word? When two or more words join together to give a new meaning, it's called a compound word. Once again, when two or more words join together to give a new meaning, it's called a compound word. Look at the example. The first picture is rain, plus the second picture is bow. Rain plus bow is rainbow. Next, wheel plus chair. Wheel plus chair is wheelchair. Next, water. Water plus fall. Water plus fall is waterfall. Next, butter. Butter plus fly. Butter plus fly is butterfly. Look at the following words. Bathroom, table, house, toothbrush, countryside, school, sunlight, whiteboard, chair, breakfast. Which words are compound words? Bathroom, good job. Another. Toothbrush, toothbrush, very good. Whiteboard, good job. Whiteboard. Next, breakfast, breakfast, very good. Countryside, countryside, good job. Sunlight, sunlight. So these are compound words. For example, bathroom. What are the two words? Bath and room. Toothbrush, toothbrush. What are the two words? Tooth and brush. Next, countryside. What are the two words? Country and side. Next, sunlight. Sun and light. Whiteboard. White and board. Breakfast. Break and fast. So those are examples of compound words. Thank you for watching.